Actually, it's afternoon still because it's still 5:45. But it's really dark right now. And we're going to our appointment or our date. Only Bob and me. It's 24th of December now. And tomorrow, I forgot to tell you guys that we are going to our holiday, short holiday. And yeah, sasama namin kayo. Ang lamig eh. Hindi ako makapagsalita. Ang lamig. Yeah, and tomorrow and today, we're going to, ano sasabihin ko? Nakalimutan ko. Nakalimutan ko guys na sasabihin ko. Today we're going to Celia Amsterdam, which is a restaurant inside the hotel. And it was just close by. I told you guys again and again, the restaurant here that is really nice, 5-star Michelin, you can just walk from our house to that place. Or you can just bike. It's really cold right now. Look at my hair. It's really windy. It's -7. And yeah. Oh, don't be so your your new shoes, Bobby. So we go there because it's in a Nieuwendijk, toch? Yeah. Sa Nieuwendijk kami. So malapit yun dun sa Hema na kinakainan namin. But this is our first time na pupunta kami doon. At first time namin kakain doon. So, ang binook ko ay 5-course meal namin ni Bob. Or 4, I think. I'm gonna check there. Kasi nakalimutan ko na yung clinic ko. Doon sa pagre-reserve ko last Wednesday, last week. So, Wednesday ngayon, Tok? Yeah, Wednesday ngayon. Bukas kami aalis. Nalilito na ako sa araw. Guys, pasensya na kayo. Yung vlog ko from today, hindi ako nag-vlog for 7 days kasi ang dami ko ding ginawa at ang daming nangyayari ngayon na appointment because it's December and mag-e-end na yung year. Madami kaming kausap ni Bob na date. So, dinner, lunch, something like that. So, kami ngayon ni Bob ang magdi-dinner at lunch until 31st. So, everyday kakain kami sa labas. Yun ang pinakamasarap dito sa December na to. At pinayagan ako ni Bob na mag-book kami ng holiday. So, see you there. See you there, guys. Guys, OOTD ni Bob. Yes, yo. Yo. Amsterdamers, yo. Yan. Dito kami sa may shopping street. Kasi dito banda yung kakainan namin. Ang lamig, guys. Grabe. Sinisipon ako sa bawat ng hangin sa akin. Dating ng hangin sa akin. Sobrang lamigers. Tama si Bob. Nakabonet. Nakamuts. Bihirang magmuts yan.
-7.
Guys, may ipapakita ako sa inyong cafe. Ito, super ganda nito. Hindi ako pupunta pero papakita ko lang sa inyo. Look at that. How beautiful. This is just a cafe. Yung mga coffee na in-order. Let's try. May purchase sila yung maliliit na pancakes. Which is really lekker yan. Really nice. Then, dito ka order ng coffee. But, look at there. Hi guys, so 3 minutes walk still almost in the center, no? In the central, almost there. But napakalamig guys, as in Buti nga may buildings na dito. Yung kanina nung naglalakad kami, when we were walking there, yung sipon ko tumutulo sa sobrang lamig. Nothing to be compared. And Bobby Che. So, malapit na tayo. Si Daki Daki, Mama Dax. Ha? Mama Dax. Almost there. Guys, we are here. Hotel siya. Ang ganda nung building. Look. Nakita mo to? Yung parang may structure. Ito siya. Dito sa Celia. Restaurant siya ng hotel na Decamp Vita. Here. So, hanapin lang natin yung entrance ng hotel. Yun siya. Dun. So, I'm gonna ask them what's in our menu. So, it's easy. If sa single tayo nagdaan. To? Bad trip na Google to. Ano tayo. Because this is single to.
Yeah, single na to eh.
Yeah. Umano tayo. Umikot.
Oh.
Yes, umikot kami.
Umikot tayo.
What
Dapat
stupidity.
dito tayo lalabas.
Yeah.
Diba?
Pero okay din kasi at least may nakita tayong maganda. Doesn't matter. Ito yung kakainan namin. Yan. Celia. Amsterdam. So we are in the entrance. Look at that, guys. Cute. First time here. Ayun yung bar. Then ito yung bawat table. Yan. Kasi mo ganun ka-cozy. Super cozy, isn't it? And also the bar is so nice. Looks nice. Huwag sana marinig yung dahil sa aking vlog. Guys, pakita ko yung table namin sa inyo ni Bob. May kadoche sila or gift or just, no, it's just something for Christmas, not a kadoche. Then may lamp dyan. Ayun si Bob. Order na kami ng sparkling water. And then, we have 5 meal course. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Ngayon lang ako nag-vlog kasi ngayon lang kami naging dalawa ni Bob. Meron akong papakita sa inyo vlog, yung neighbor namin. Kasi yung mostly na kasama namin sa mga dinner is private person. So na-interrupt kami, sorry. Kasi tinatanong na nila kung gusto namin ng wine or beverage. Pero meron na kami sparkling na water. But Bob will order Pinot Grigio, Bob, for sure. And I will go to Aperol Spritz or Rosé. Because yun lang yung kaya kong kainin. So guys, I hope you enjoying your Christmas Eve too. Because it's 24. And I hope you guys have a very nice food in your table. Right? We wish you guys a very nice Christmas. And good health for all of you. I'm so happy guys that we made this channel this year. So I can talk to you. So guys, ito muna yung una. Bubusugin na muna nila kami bago kami nila busugin. Bab, bubusugin muna nila kami bago kami busugin. Ito yung may butter na herbs and then
Ano bang i-ano mo pa o direkta na?
Pwede ito dito. Lagay mo. Yung oil niya, alam mo kung ano? Yung moni natin na may may citron. Gets mo? Ah,
So first plate, second plate na to.
first pa lang. Ang sarap ng dito. Ganito ginawa. Kaya niya tinatanong kung gusto mo ng kasi pang dito yan.
Oh.
Sabi mo.
Pwede mo ka.
Sabi mo. Sabi mo.
Kaya pagdaan.
Kasi sila Karen, kaya may tinapay. Kasi sa sana. Buti tatlo yung sand mo. Maganda din yung quality ng sand mo.
Minsan, ganyan sila Karen.
Every Friday.
Every Friday.
May isa naman din nila. Alam mo, naiintindihan ko sila kasi mag-isip pa sila. Kasi mag-ano pa sila. Kasi mag-isip pa sila. Yun na yun. Masarap. Hindi ka pa makain.
And take and break.
Ano kami ng Marta?
Ha?
Why? So guys, this is our second plate. Bobby. Pumpun with onion. Sabi ko sa sila Karen, ganito ng ginagawa. Galing din sa buko nila.
Galing din sa book nila.
Sabihin mo yung onion na ito ay kinakaramelize nila. Tapos yung punpun. tinignan yung menu nila.
Oh.
Guys, third course.
Sarap. Sarap. Sarap, sarap. Sarap ka. Unang kagat.
Tapos ng kagat. Lasa ko dyan. Harap.
Pwede mag-request yung bread. Masarap na sa bread to. Hindi.
Anong request mo sa 5 meal course? Yung favorite mo?
Bread and butter.
Guys, ito na yung kinakain niya. Nag 5 meal course kami, pero ito yung kinakain niya. Ganon siya kalala. Guys, pang 5 sa meal namin, spare ribs with mashed potato, juice, yung tawag sa gravy, and then carrots, different kind of carrots. That was it.
Tapos
Enjoy!
bread and butter.
Bread and butter. Kain na tayo, guys. Oh. Barbecue ribs. And then, I think it's gravy, yung juice. This is beef. Beef. Beef.
Beef. Oo nga, beef nga.
Spare ribs beef.
Ano to?
Parrot.
Carrots.
Guys, our dessert. Chocolate mousse.
Ano?
Kailangan mo kung tumakbo ng mga 15
15
kilometers.
kilometers.
May berries, may coconut, may brownies. Hi guys!
Hi guys.
Nakalimutan ko na kayo kasi paglabas namin ng hotel, may 3 pickpocketers. Tama ba? Pickpocketers. Niligiran kasi kami ni Bob. So, inakap ko yung phone ko, yung bag ko. Kasi mas mahal yung bag ko dun sa phone ko. Kaya kailangan ko siyang protektahan, guys. Baka yun yung makuha. So, kasi wala pa insurance yung bag ko. Ang may insurance lang yung phone. So, ano mang gagawin ko? E di akapin ko yung bag ko. So, nakalimutan ko na kayo. Ay na nga, naka 5 meal course kami. Si Bob, Diyos ko, ang gusto, tinapay tsaka garlic butter. Ano ba yun? Pero nabusog kami, sobra. Nakita niyo naman kinain namin. Grabe. Bukas, maaga kaming aalis. Tapos, after itong vlog na to, papakita ko pala sa inyo si David, yung neighbor namin. Sinabi ko sa kanya kasi na isasama ko siya sa vlog. Kaso nung time na yon, after nung araw na yun, guys, little bit busy kami ni Bob. And marami kaming naging schedule on a weekend and a weekdays. So, ngayon, kailangan kong bumawi na mag-vlog dahil nga kami na lang ni Bob ngayon yung nagse-celebrate kasi last weeks or last days, madami kaming kasama, di ba, Bob? So, they are very private person. So, I cannot show you them kasi yun yung pamilya namin dito ni Bob. So, pauwi na rin kami. In 5 minutes na sa bahay na kami for sure. Yung na yon is 15 minutes walk away lang sa bahay namin, 'di ba? Yan nga, sabi ko nga sa iyo, pag nag-canal cruise kami, may schedule namin yan within this next week. Pakita din namin sa inyo. Hindi na ako makahinga sa sobrang busog ko, guys. Ayun, yun lang masasabi ko, sobrang busog. So guys, kanina pa kami nandito sa bahay. To be honest, 8:30, I think 10 o'clock na. So, nag-browse lang ako ng phone at ng laptop. Yun nga, alis kami tomorrow. But, for sure, hindi kami magdadala ng mga alahas kasi ang daming pickpockets ngayon. Especially, Christmas market yung lagi namin pupuntahan ni Bob because it's Christmas. So, hindi ako ganong mag-work doon at hindi ako ganong magdadala ng pang-work. Obviously, maybe slow downtown ako by 25. Gusto ko lang time na magsulat ako sa train or magbasa. Namimiss ko na magbasa kasi wala akong time magbasa ngayon. Ang dami kong iniisip, ang dami kong inaasikaso. Guys, ganito talaga kapag business ka sa Europe, no? So, never ending, but still, I have still time to ourselves and Bob's time. So, nothing to complain. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko dito sa aking journal. I'm not complaining this year because it's a good year for me and for Bob. Nothing to be to complain. So, anything because, I'm grateful for because I have YouTube right now. I'm grateful for because I can still do some work except for YouTube. I can always enjoy YouTube through going to some provinces here in the Netherlands. So, I'm happy with that. I'm happy because we can afford that even though we don't have some work right now because before we work until like 12 hours a day, but now I'm not working anymore. Like I work 5 hours a day, something like that. So that's what I'm grateful for, even though I not have a lot of work, but I have some resources that can survive the life I have here in the Netherlands and Bob's. So, in between, nothing to complain. So, guys, I want to say thank you for all the people who are supporting Simple Amore. I always be grateful for you guys. Hindi ko man kayo maisa-isa, but guys, thank you sa mga cousins ko na laging sumusuporta sa akin, sa mga friends ni Bob, sa mga kakilala namin. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. So, I hope you guys always, kung sinasabi to, I wish you a good life every time. Because having a good life is better. Having a very nice life is more happier, and even though it was simple, dun mo ma-appreciate yung life. If you don't have any commitment to people, you don't have commitment a little bit on your work, it's more on your life. Life would be simple, life would be appreciative, and life is more, how can I explain? It's more nicer, happy, contentment, all the positive things, even though with all the circumstances we have, I know, make sure you learn to handle it instead of refusing it, I know may kanya-kanya tayong problem, but be strong, guys. Marami pang taon na tayo bubunuin for our life. Basta i-enjoy lang natin, guys. Huwag tayo sumuko dahil this year would be the good year and next year is more good for us and it will be better every time. So, see you guys next time, and sana manood kayo after this because pakikita ko sa inyo yung neighbor namin. See you!